Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily remove or install or even delete Bitdefender from your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the search bar and type Settings. Click on the Settings option to open for you. As a next step, click on Apps. Click on in the main menu on Installed Apps and wait for a few seconds for the interface to load for you. Locate Bitdefender agent as first and click on the three dots next to it and click Uninstall. Again, Uninstall and click Yes. You can click OK. And normally the installation of Bitdefender agent should start. Now you need to move to Bitdefender antivirus free. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall. Windows will ask you want to allow this app to make changes. You can click Yes and wait for a few seconds until the installation interface appears in front in the window. I want to reinstall Bitdefender. I want to uninstall, so it's the second option. Remove launch feedback if you don't want to give feedback, and launch the installation process. You may need to wait up to 3-4 minutes based on how fast is your computer before the uninstalling process finishes. At this stage, the install is completed and it has been removed. You can click either restart this device or click close if you don't want to restart on the spot. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.